Yo, welcome back. I'm going to say what I always say on certain kicks, and the truth is I am excited about these kicks. I've been waiting to get my hands on this silhouette for ages, and now I've got them. Let's just get into this. Yes, so welcome back everybody. Listen, before we even start, I want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel, everyone who's commented, everyone who's hit like. I'm at over 1.5k subs and it's going up, and I'm just grateful because, listen, I was happy when I got 1 sub. So this blows my mind. For all those who are new to my channel, my name is Patrick T. I do reviews on all kinds of trainers and training related stuff. My goal is to try and show you what you get for your money. So I look at the box, what you get in the box, what the trainers look like, how they feel, whether or not they're true to size, and just try and give you that information you need before you spend your hard-earned money on those trainers. So if you haven't already, please sub to my channel, please hit notification bell because it tells you when I upload videos like this, and also when I do my weekly episodes, which I call Week Check, where I give you the info of trainers dropping in the next 7 days. So please sub, please hit the notification bell, and if this video gives you context, please hit the like button. Most importantly though, and this is what I like about doing YouTube, is if you've got any comments, let me know, man. I always try and reply to every comment, so let's have a conversation about kicks, trainers, anything. Especially if you like these ones or what you want more information, I can help you. I will definitely try and help you. But we are talking about the adidas NMD S1 with the Pharrell Williams Humanrace twist.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease.
So, like I said to you, I've been trying to get my hands on the NMD S1s for ages. And when this came up, I went in for it, not thinking I'm going to get it, and I hit. So, I'm happy. And this is why I'm excited, because this has been a long time coming for me. So, let's just get into this and let's just have a look at the box. So, all I'm going to say to you is the box is massive. Okay, but the train is big, so it has to fit the thing, but the box is massive, yeah? So it's a blue box. You've got Humanrace on the top of it there, as you can see. That's embossed, and then the white overlay on top make it look like a 3D kind of thing. On the side, you've got a hole in the box there, and then you've got the Adidas signage right there, as you can see. You've also, on the side of the box, in a little writing there, you've got Humanrace there. And then on this side of the box, you just got the details which say Hu NMD S1 Ryat. Now that's R-Y-A-T. I hope I'm saying that right, but that's what it says. It's called, and the colorway is C white, and for my SWO podcast people, CL pink. Okay, well, I'm going to get into that in a minute so you don't understand. Obviously, you've got another little hole there, but I'm going to tell you, I am disappointed in this. I'm disappointed in the box itself because, like, let me explain. So, NMD S1 boxing is phenomenal. It's like a luxury trainer, okay? The best way, I can't even describe it to you. The best thing you can do is hit my girl, Shay Cray, go to her videos and you see our unboxing of the NMD S1 and you'll see what I mean. This box, you get a lid and white tissue paper. That's it, okay? Go and compare this with her unboxing and you'll see what I mean. So I'm disappointed because if Adidas standard, their standard trainer, what they're releasing on their own, has all this stuff in the box, then as a collaborator and someone who's going to bring something different, you should be taking that as a standard, as a benchmark, and then leveling up. For me, Pharrell Williams, Humanrace, you level down. that's that. Let's get into the trainer now. So here we have it. We have the NMD S1 by Humanrace Ryat. Now it's a boot trainer. That's what it is. It's a boot trainer. Obviously, he's put a little twist or bubblegum remix on it with the materials and what else compared to the usual NMD S1s. So let's do what we normally do, and we start with the sole. At the sole, as you can see, everything, all the grip is the Adidas leaf sign everywhere, around the corners, the middle. The only bit what reminds you this is an NMD is that blocking right in the middle of your foot with the perforated holes, which you usually get on an NMD trainers anyway. If we go up to the midsole, it's just a white clean rubber midsole, and encased in that midsole is the Adidas Boost cushioning system. Now, just like with any NMDs, you get the blocking, but they've slightly remixed this on the NMD S1s. You've got layers, so you at the toe area of the box, you've got two orange slits which protrude out over the shoe. So when you're looking down, you can see those. And at the heel, you've got a baby blue one, just a one solid blocking what protrudes out there. Above that midsole, you then have a rubber guard that goes completely around the shoe. You can see where it's layered in the middle there, and it's also layered on the inside. So you've got one strip that travels around the boxer shoe, and then you've got one strip that travels around the heel of the shoe. At the heel of the shoe, it rises up as your heel guard, and then above the heel guard, you've got this rough suede in grey, which is quite nice to touch. It's quite premium material, if I'm honest with you. Above that, you've got a nylon ribbon in green, which is the only green on the shoe. It's just different, isn't it? So that's your heel pull, and then where the ankle collar of the trainer is, or the boot, it's a beige leather, and the lining of the shoe is also in leather, but in black this time. It's very padded, and this padding, I have to say, reminds me of a Timberland boot. That's what it feels like. It's that kind of hard, soft leather, if you know what I mean. And it just reminds me of a Timberland boot. That's all I can say. Keeping at the heel of the shoe, you then have rubber overlay with perforated holes. Underneath that is the same baby blue color. Underneath that as a blocking, and that is leather as well. And this underneath that, you have a grey nylon mesh, which looks reflective. I'm not sure if it is reflective, but it looks reflective. It's very metallic in its look. It's very metallic in its look. If we stay where we are now, running down the side of the shoe where the laces are, you then have that grey rough suede again, and that travels down where all the laces are to the point where you get another overlay of that rubber perforated overlay. And underneath that though, you then have the leather blocking, but in orange, just the same color as the NMD blocking in the midsole. Now we're at the front of the shoe. The toe box, again, is in that grey rough suede. The toe box itself is not massive, so there's not a lot of suede on the toe box itself, but there's enough there for you to notice. The toe box is really covered by that rubber mudguard I was telling you about earlier. Now on the inside of the shoe is exactly the same. It's very symmetrical in what you get. You get the orange underlay, the rubber perforated overlay, you get the suede which travels up along the lace lines, and then you've got the overlay again with the perforated holes, and underneath that you've got the baby blue colouring again. Now if we look at the tongue is in that grey metallic nylon webbed material. On the top of the tongue, sewn in, you've got the words Humanrace in black. The inside of the tongue, again, is the black leather like you got on the inside lining of the shoe. And sewn into that is the details of the kick there with, the size and etc, etc. Now, the insole is something you will want to look at when you get hold of it. It's an orange insole, and you've got a diagram of the foot on there. Now, it's all kinds of different sections and different graphics, but the writing on it is basically parts of the body and insides of your body. So you have the pelvis, the colon, the intestines, kidneys, shoulders, lungs, neck, ears, eyes, all different things, all labelled on the toes, etc, etc. Down near the heel, you have the Adidas sign leaf, and then you also have what looks like a label. You know, you're at school and you used to have to write your name on, your clothes and that. Like in your school uniform, you'd have the I'm talking primary school, obviously, not secondary school. But, you know, you'd write your name with it, give you a label to write your name and your class on it. That's exactly what it looks like. I would say it is a boot. So it feels heavy. It's not like a light train. It's definitely true to size, and it's definitely comfortable because you've got so much boost in the sole of this shoe. It's look how, you know, I'm going to be up at least an inch now. I'm going to be 6 foot. I was going to say that. I'm just going to be 6 foot. No, I'm going to be more than what I am by an inch or two because of the wedging of the sole. It's definitely true to size. On the confirmed app when I was buying the shoes or going in to get the shoes, it did say it ran a little large. But I thought if it runs a little large, then I'll get my size and I'll be quizzing it. You know, it just won't be small, which you just don't want. But I'm not going to be honest with you, it fits just right. I'm size 12. This fits just right. So I wouldn't go down a size. Definitely don't go down a size when you buy your shoes. Definitely don't go up a size. I think it may be too big. But if you do go up a size, I would say half maximum, because you don't want to be spinning in your shoes. And these are big things, so they'll become cloggy. In terms of comfort, you've got the Adidas Boost system, so it's definitely comfortable. I've had a few walks around in these already, and they feel cool. They don't feel too heavy. I think if you've worn Tims and things like that, then it's going to feel like that, but a bit lighter. There's not much more I can add to this, if I'm honest with you. I'm really happy I've got these in my collection now. I think I still will try and go for the NMD S1 lows, or just the normal NMD S1, because I've just been trying to get these. But these are definitely ones I look forward to wearing. It is a bright colour, and I do see it attracting dirt, but I think these are easy enough to clean because it's just rubber. You know, the suede itself, you know, you're going to clean that as soon as you get dirt on it anyway. There you have it, my Humanrace NMD S1 Ryat with the pink laces, which I'll be keeping in. I'm not swapping them for white laces. Oh, sorry to say, you also get white laces with them as well. I'm sorry, I don't know why I didn't include that, but that's all you get. That's why I didn't include it, because I'm still disappointed in this is all you get with them. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Please leave your comments below. Let me know if there's any other trainers you want me to review, or you're thinking of getting, you might want me to review. Like I said to you, I'll try and review all kind of trainers, not just like hypes and things like that. Everyday trainers, because that's what most of us really buy. And sometimes we just want them to be comfortable. So I'm here for that. Let me have your comments below. Like I said, go check out my girl Shay Cray, and you can see her unboxing of the NMD S1 Greys, and you'll see what I'm missing. But that's me. I'm out. Patrick T. Peace.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading